Hi, I'm Nancy. Now, even though I was skeptical at first, I decided to take the plunge and try Nagano Lean Body Tonic. And now I'm excited to share my experience with you. For a long time, I've been on the lookout for a natural supplement that actually helps with weight loss. And, well, what felt like, I don't know, an endless search, I then came across this supplement. I wasn't completely convinced at first, but I thought, okay, why not? It's a natural formula, and with nothing to lose, thanks to the money-back guarantee, I decided to go for it. Well, at the beginning, the changes, they were pretty subtle. I didn't notice anything major, but I stuck with it. And by the second month, that's when things really changed. My digestion improved significantly and my cravings dropped dramatically. A few weeks later, I had lost 15 pounds without any side effects. It felt like the fat was literally melting off. I was honestly shocked. Suddenly, everyone was saying to me, what's your secret? And I told them. Now, I'm just taking this supplement. So yeah, it works and it completely exceeded my expectations. Of course, everyone's experience is different, but for me, consistency was definitely the key. That's my best advice. Stick with it. And I truly believe you'll see amazing results like I did. One last thing. Oh yes, be cautious of knockoffs because there are a lot of people selling fake versions of this supplement on Amazon, pretending it's the real deal. So to help you out, I've included the link to the official site where I got mine in the video description. Now, a few quick tips how to use it. Just mix 1 scoop in a glass of water or even your favorite drink, no problem. I started seeing real results by the second month, so I highly recommend going for the 3 or even the 6 month supply. Not only will it save you a lot of money, but it also makes sure you don't lose momentum in your progress. This supplement is made in the USA in an FDA approved and GMP certified facility. It's backed by an 80-day money-back guarantee. So, if you change your mind, no worries. So I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching and good luck, guys.